Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analysts' choices for today.
Wall Street banks Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley all cut their China growth forecasts after export growth slowed unexpectedly and on concerns over new coronavirus restrictions. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission said Poloniex has agreed to pay roughly $10.4 million to settle charges of operating as an unlicensed cryptocurrency exchange. South Korea will set Samsung heir Lee Jae-yong free on parole with a year left on a 30-month sentence on corruption charges.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's EcoWatchers survey Outlook will be released at 500 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey Current Situation at 900 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey Current at 500 GMT. The UK's 10-year bond auction will be released at 9:45 GMT. The U.S. unit labor costs at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.